Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how to change the generative fill opacity for realistic results within regards to your imagery. What I would like to do is place a sharp in this area here, okay? And what you'll find sometimes when you use the generative fill option, the results are just not real. They just don't add a sense of realism to it. So just with the following steps in regards to lowering the opacity of your generative fill, I guarantee you'll be able to add elements and add objects within to your imagery that look a lot more realistic within the environment that they're situated in. So let's open up our layers window and make sure that layer is highlighted. And what I'm now going to do is come to our layer mask icon down here and just click it and enter into layer mask zone. Now I need to use the keyboard shortcut of Command I for Mac users or Control I for Windows users, like so. And with my brush tool here, I'm going to use a 300 point size brush and a soft round, keep the opacity and the flow at 100%, and just create a brush stroke in the area that you want to be placing the sharp, like so. And now what you need to do is simply come out of the layer mask zone just by clicking this little icon here. Now you may not be able to see it, but don't worry. You can see the taskbar appears. And if I now go generative fill, let's say we put in sharp and press generate. Always make sure you persevere with the Photoshop software, working it out for you guys. It'll always give you a good result. And the benefit of using generative fill as well is it allows you to have 3 different options. There's the first one. I come through, probably say that one's the best one there to be used. And there you have it, guys. That's how you add more realistic elements within your imagery, lowering the opacity of your generative fill. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.